watching German GYAN. My name is Nidhi Jain, and today is the most demanding language. Everyone is having problem in German 3 cases. So today I will be discussing regarding nominative, accusative, and dative. So without wasting the time, let's go, and please subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share it. So let's go. So nominative. What is nominative? First, I am telling you in English everything. The subject of the sentence doing action. In German, it is called nominative. So this is the first example for nominative. The girl runs fast. So here the girl is the subject as the girl is doing the action. The second example, the German friend caught the ball. Here, the friend is the subject as she was the one who is doing the catching. Yeah. So this was the nominative, and now let's go to accusative. The direct object is the part of the sentence receiving the action. In German, it is called Akkusative. So by having first example, which is the boy pushes the man. So here the man is the direct object as he was the one who is receiving the punches from the boy. Second example, the girl kicks the ball. So here the ball is the direct object because the ball is the one who is receiving the kick. So in this one, there is another way by which we can find out the accusative. In the sentence, find three most important words. For example, the man gives a boy a pencil. So here the three important words are man, gives, and pencil. So the third one will be your accusative object. So here pencil is the direct object. Now let's go to the exceptional case. There is one exceptional case in this accusative if you are using to be verb, which means sein verb in German, then both are treated as subject. This is just because there is no difference in the meaning if you switch two parts. For example, the man is the doctor, and if you switch it, the doctor is the man. So the meaning remains totally same. That's why this is the exceptional case to be sein verb. So now let's go to dative. The indirect object in the part of the sentence that answers your question to or for whom. In German, that is called dative case. So by giving you first example, which is the man gives the boy a pencil. So here the boy is the indirect object as the pencil is given to the boy. So looking after another one, it is the man buys his wife German food. So here the wife is the indirect object because the man is buying food for his wife. Going forward, this was the total run. Now it's time for the German chart. So this is the definite article start in German language. Nominative in masculine it is der, feminine die, neutral das, plural die. So this is the total chart which you have to learn for nominative, accusative, dative, and search on Google Gyan, search on Google German Gyan, and give me review there. Subscribe to the channel, like the video, share the video, and keep watching German Gyan. Thank you so much. Tell me if you have any another request for video, and follow every on German Gyan. Thank you so much. This video will help you definitely. Love you guys. Thank you so much for supporting me always. Love you.